As you get nearer, sobrang paganda ng paganda to, Cameranda. Let's go. So, Cameranda, andito yung mga stations of the cross. So, Cameranda, here in the church, meron silang mga chapel na tinatawag. In this area is Chapel of David. So, bawat area dito meron tinatawag na chapel. Hey, Cameranda. Ang ganda ng mga colored glasses dito. Verdict. Maganda siya. It's very good. But if you've been to the Notre Dame in Montreal, that's way better.